Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we are bringing the heat on this one. Today we are spraying lava, which is probably the hottest new color that we have, and hopefully it sparks your interest. Now, is this color going to set the world on fire? There's only one way to find out. All right, I'll stop. Let's start the video. All right, guys, we're done spraying lava. As expected, very easy color to spray. It goes over an avalanche gray base, and we don't spray reds that often, especially a fiery red like this. It's deep, it's beautiful, it has awesome orange accents in the sun. This one should stand out. Now, if you want to spray your car in lava, very simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the lava car kits, and they include everything you need to get the job done. The accessories, the gallons, the sprayer if you need one. And if lava isn't your color, there's a link in the description box below to bring you to the rest of our car kits. We have tons of colors to choose from. There's something for everybody in there. If you have any questions at all, call into DYC during business hours or chat with us directly on the website. Let's go outside, check out the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing to the channel. It's Fonzie. I will see you guys on the next video.